Hello， 葉晴，今日你同我哋介紹乜嘢故事書啊？
呢本故事書叫做《Kitty and the Moonlight Rescue》。
哦，咦 ，Kitty 呢本書係咪講貓㗎？
唔係。Kitty has special powers, but is she ready to be a superhero just like her mom? Luckily, Kitty's cat crew have faith in her and show Kitty the hero that lies within.
哦，原來 Kitty 係有超能力㗎。咁，但係我想問佢係咪一隻貓嚟㗎？
佢唔係一隻貓，佢係有呢個名係因為佢有貓嘅超能力。
啊，都幾有趣喎。Kitty 係咪一開始知道自己有超能力㗎？
唔係，其實係同月光有關嘅。我讀一段俾你聽啊。Moonlight poured over the rooftop, turning everywhere soft and silver. Kitty suddenly felt her magical superpowers tingling inside from her head right down to her toes. She narrowed her eyes and tuned in her nighttime vision. Then she listened carefully and found she could hear lots of tiny nighttime sounds, from insects chirping to the whispering of the wind in the trees.
哇，聽起上嚟佢好似變咗隻貓咁樣喎。
係啊，咁佢就同佢隻貓 Figaro 一齊進行呢個嘅大冒險啦。
啊，唔知大冒險 Kitty 係會做啲乜嘢嘅呢？
如果同學有興趣嘅話，就歡迎嚟到圖書館借閱呢一本嘅 Kitty and the Moonlight Rescue 啦。其實佢係一套系列書嚟㗎。Kitty 嘅任務當然唔止一個啦。
係啊，歡迎大家嚟圖書館借閱啦。
靜靜雞話你聽啊，圖書館仲有中文版可以借㗎。